different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Know with a little hope you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. We stayed out on a mission to find out inner peace.
Alright,
And
we're gonna go
welcome
to
back,
the 0-0.
Yeah, I'm cooking some food real quick. Give me a
We
second.
down the clown, fellas?
We down the dial? We down the die? Yeah.
Nah, we
bad.
win, bro.
Yeah. By chair table and TI, by the way. Yeah, okay, nice.
Alright, let's go. Time to clown.
Give me a
Time to
second.
die in a
Hold up.
fire.
I'm gonna follow Major Wolf.
Oh no, there's that way. I'm just dumb. Well,
Hey, I was going the right way. What do you mean?
It's fine. I like how the guy was going the wrong ways in full diamond. Could we just clarify that?
like the guy who's in full diamond mine for everything he ever got.
Yeah,
Well-
but he's also inherent in knowing what direction to go. I mean,
What, are you making fun of directionally challenged people, huh?
No, I'm just making fun of
Fucking
you.
dickhead.
I'm just making fun of you.
Oi, dickhead.
Yo, you don't have to expand the issue past you. If you want to expand the issue, then make a whole entire Twitter debate about it. But nah,
There's a house here.
I've been canceled on Twitter one and
That was your
once-
that was
Oh,
your
there's
job.
people.
What was
It's
it?
strategy in them. Bro,
Strategy?
right there.
Yeah, no, they're not gonna attack me, bro.
Are they not? Are we not gonna fight?
I can fight.
I mean, we can if you want.
No, well, no, not really. Not now.
They can just let us live.
It's kind of dumb that we do. We'll just let them have screenshots and shit, and then just leave. I guess
Just do that stuff.
we're
Nice.
leaving. We'll head west.
Oh, yo, they got torches. Damn.
Where's that
God
fucked
damn. You got everything.
Brosif,
Yeah. They have paintings and everything. It's fancy. It's a fancy life.
Brosif, we're
Yeah, I
leaving.
know.
Let's go.
Should I let the house on fire or no?
No.
Yes.
Well, actually, nah. We'll do that when we circle back around.
Whoops! You never saw anything.
No, we saw that. We saw your failure.
I wonder where the others are.
Probably on the ground.
Our team's
caving.
like a team of 4, bro.
If anyone watches our footage, sees that we left them alone, and people are like, "Oh, those were the only 2 team of 4s left. Why weren't they fighting?" I blame Brosif. Brosif can explain why we didn't fight.
Also, Brody and
Hello?
fucking Dalton. Brody and Dalton just leave off like 1 hit and 2 hits. What? We got shot at. Team,
What?
full team, full irons on top of the hill. Light and it's Light's team.
It's like
Yo!
You see, that type of a hill though. Do we want to?
yeah, we're not going up there.
Yeah,
fuck that.
I say, I really want to do that. That's. Hey.
I'm gonna continue walking.
Yeah, just right.
There's no point in fighting, though.
Yeah.
I'm just looking around the map, actually. Honestly, there's chickens around.
Yeah. Just take it.
We could honestly also go caving for more healing because you got extra apples, right?
Some in
Yeah, there's
TI,
4
it's
extra
like,
in 2.
it's like
yeah,
3
so we
TI,
could
so
honestly
like
just
3.
keep going and get another gap
Yeah.
each.
Ew.
Yeah, but is it really worth it though? We take more damage than we necessary while caving though. It's the issue.
I mean,
Well, no, I can go and not take.
Look at that cliff.
Just the cliff side. Jesus Christ, this thing's massive.
Okay.
It's not cold
Alan, go.
instead of
shoot.
being hot in the UK. This is weird.
and for the
I need a piss. I'll be 2 seconds.
Alright,
1, 2.
it's not bad. Kill him.
I'm gonna go look around a little bit.
Wait. What? No.
Alan, you can stay here. Me and Joseph. Bros are just gonna die real quick.
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Do you know what you're doing, though?
Do you actually?
Yeah.
I don't think he does. So I guess I'm just here babysitting Madge when he comes back.
Alright.
Alright. Alan, you go.
Guys, I think we
babysit-
should go around neg 300, 100. Just
Good
a
then.
hunch.
Oh, just a hunch, you say?
Yeah.
I
Just a
wonder
hunch.
why just a hunch.
Well, you know.
It's just It's a really good hunch, you know. It's a really good hunch.
It's really good at knowing things, bro.
Yeah, you're just psychic. You know?
What's up? I'm back.
Welcome
That
back,
was a
Rose.
fast piss.
Welcome back.
Well,
Rose,
my bathroom's like right next to me.
Rose just wanted to die, so it's just us 3 left.
Let's go.
Alright, follow me. I know what I'm doing.
Alright, cool.
Where?
We're just gonna follow you through death.
Yep.
Good to hear. Good to know. Good to know.
What? Ouch.
Nice job, Alan. Nice job.
What the hell?
You just fell into a cave. Great
I did not.
No, you did. I saw it. Don't. No, you did. You did.
No.
I saw it, man. I saw it. Just don't lie. Don't lie to yourself. We all know you did, and we all know. And I feel sorry for you, but it just happened. So.
Shut up.
Where you at, Broseph? Where you at? Where you at?
We shall be.
He's left. He's left.
There's
He
one
left
go up
the
on the
sim-
mountain.
You want to go up on a mountain?
Yeah, why not?
You wanna go up on top of that mountain where I
Alright,
clearly
fuck
see
it,
where
why
people,
not?
where 3 people have been. I like your thinking.
Trust me.
I originally lost all hope in you, but now I'm starting to regain.
I mean, you can line emojis, right?
Okay, everyone shift. You have to shift up.
Oh.
Bum. 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 I don't know why the fuck you guys went. I'm going up.
Da-da-da.
Anyone actually next to me?
I'm coming up next to you.
Where?
Up on the mountain?
Yeah, I'm still on match.
I don't know where following match is.
Up the hill?
It's called going up the hill to Earth, or hopefully not non-demise. I'm not very much for this plan, but hey, we'll just go with it.
We got nothing better to do.
Yeah, so let's just die. We'll just give this team just a team who is up here just a full set of diamond each.
Yeah, they're up there.
There,
Yeah, you can see their name. So make sure you're shifting.
mate, you're really up there, mate. I'm not even up there yet.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah. I'm a bit of a shooting gap right now or not.
Oh, they see me. They shot me.
Yeah, I can imagine. You guys go over on the other side. Of the
Oh no,
hill.
they're all on Allen right now. I'm going around right.
I'm just running.
Imagine- Hey, are we going down the hill now? Alright.
I'm,
Owie.
I'm inside the hill.
Oh, I'm being chased.
What?
By who?
Light. I might be dead. I'm on 6 odds. Ooh,
Get down.
Where are you?
I'm getting down. Light's chasing.
I can come off.
I'm on 1 heart. Jesus, I have to hit this. Oh, he killed me.
I found
Okay,
light.
I said we were going up the hill, right? And nobody followed me, which was, weird.
Where was light?
Oh,
He used
there-
all my gear. He's full health as well. Don't go for him.
I'm really like next to him.
Where the hell's my? I was in that try.
Got someone?
This is a fucking.
GG.
I'm out of my mind right now. I'm near the bottom.
Yeah, me too. I'm out of my mind.
Same. Alan, just go down. Just walk your way down. Just water bucket down. You'll be fine. We're getting somewhere with this stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna relog real quick. Get the tab thing fixed. Get bothered with it. Brody and Dalton are both low, so probably either have no healing or just separated or something like that. I don't know. Stuff along those lines, I'd say.
Mm.
Save my boat, there's no need. Still ransack them.
Destroying.
Yeah. There's not really much else we can really do here.
Let's just go to
Like-
our X then.
Yep, and see what happens. Hopefully, just really the best.
And then just die at the first team we see.
I'll pop Mock die,
Bye.
but decent. To the point where we have to find.